Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we continue to work with an open dress with interesting lines. Take a look at the sketch again. Before starting, I want you to pay attention to the drawing. It seems to be two-sided, but in reality it is not. It is one-sided. Look carefully and understand where is the top and where is the bottom. It is very important. Now we will start working. Pinning my bag. At the bottom, I don't need to add anything. As you can see, I will not paint anywhere. I leave here 2 centimeters, side to side. There is a narrowing here. I leave 2 centimeters side to side. In this issue, we will show you how to lay fabric if the pattern on the fabric has a strict direction. You will learn how you can correct some nesting errors. We will tell you where and what allowances need to be made, and then we will cut out the parts from the fabric. I wanted my slot to be 5 centimeters wide, but now I understand that it will only be 4 or 4.5 centimeters. Now I will show you what happens. Here 6 centimeters and slot is 3 centimeters wide. It does not fit. I'll push it apart. Remember, there is a fold on this part. We will cut it separately. I put this detail here because I have 1.5 meters of fabric. Here I will add to the slot. I don't need to add anything under the line. Now let's draw a slot. I can't expand this part, but then I will expand it. No, it doesn't work. I don't want to cut it separately. I'd rather give up the slot and make it narrow. Everything is in order. The slot will be narrow. The word fold is written here. I have wanted for a long time an open dress for hot summer weather. It was possible not to cut the slot, not from two sides, but from one. But this is too difficult. I cannot do this. We begin to cut. I'm not trying to line up here. I will cut now. I cut myself wrong now because of my chatter with you. I stopped filming and started thinking what to do. And now I have a wide slot. I will sew a detail to it, and then in the end, finished product, I will show you what happens. Let's continue to cut. Now you can see the angle, and I have to make a smooth line. Remember that when you cut, you must remember the beauty of the line. We don't need corners. Now I will cut out the side. The main thing is not to forget about the slot. It's my reminder to me actually. This is our side. It turned out a little crooked, but it's okay. I'm correcting. Yeah, that's great. Now I will give to sweep the seams. And on the camera I will sweep the yoke. We sweep away. I leave little on the seams, but be careful, you must know yourself. I really want this dress for hot weather. As you can see, I solve most of the problems in the process of sewing. This is my superpower. Crop the center of my back and start sweeping. I swept the back down the center of the back and the waist. The waist will be luxurious. This is what the front of my dress looks like. The line will go through the center of the chest. The slot will be like this. The hem will be here. I just have to sweep the yoke here. See what happens.
Так, сейчас я обрежу центр спины, нанесу выточки и начну сметывать.
It is necessary to combine the center with the center and we sweep away. There is no need to think here. I show you the main sweeping, then I will show you the fitting. There is no need to think here. I think that thanks to our channel you can simulate anything. We have a practical 2020. Look at the dress. This is what the front looks like. Now I will show you a fitting. I'm wearing a ready-made fitting. Today we show you how to sweep the details of the panel and at the end. And by tradition, we're showing you the fitting. This dress is incredibly comfortable and very effective. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!